Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from PeopleLovingAnimals.com. If you need some help feeding your new puppy, go ahead and click the link in my bio. Visit my YouTube channel. I have just dropped a YouTube video called Feeding Your New Puppy. We talk about how much to feed your puppy, how often, which foods are best for your puppy, and I also have a couple of free resources for you, a little mini course on puppy nutrition, and also a printable list of foods that are poisonous for your puppy. So I hope the video helps you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.